Top 5 paid survey sites. Making some extra cash doesn't have to be complicated. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your income, taking paid surveys is a great option. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 paid survey sites that you can use to earn some extra cash online. Taking surveys can be a great way to make some extra money in your spare time, and there are many legitimate sites out there that will pay you for your opinions. Before we get started, hit the notification bell to stay notified of all our videos, and remember to like this video. It's important to note that no survey site is going to make you rich. However, if you're looking for a way to earn a little extra cash on the side, these sites can be a good option. Number 1. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is one of the most popular survey sites out there. It's easy to use and they have a wide variety of surveys available. To start earning with Survey Junkie, all you need to do is sign up and complete your profile. This will help them match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests. One of the great things about Survey Junkie is that they have a low minimum cash out threshold. This means you can start redeeming your earnings for cash or gift cards as soon as you reach just $5 in your account. Number 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another well-known survey site that offers a variety of ways to earn. In addition to taking surveys, you can also earn money by watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. Swagbucks has a rewards program where you can earn points for completing activities. These points can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards. One thing to note about Swagbucks is that the surveys don't always pay as much as some other sites. However, the variety of ways to earn and the low cash out threshold make it a good option. Number 3. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is a paid survey site that pays you for completing surveys as well as for referring friends. Vindale has a high-paying survey option, and they also have a low minimum cash-out threshold of just $50. One thing to keep in mind with Vindale is that they can be selective about the surveys they offer. This means that you may not qualify for as many surveys as with some other sites. Number 4. Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is a highly reputable survey site that pays well for each survey you complete. One of the great things about Pinecone is that they often have product testing opportunities, which can be a fun and easy way to earn extra cash. The downside to Pinecone is that they are invite-only, and it can be difficult to get accepted onto the platform. However, if you are able to join, it can be a great option for earning money through surveys. Number 5. Harris Poll Online. Harris Poll Online is a well-respected market research company that pays you to participate in surveys and focus groups. As a member of Harris Poll Online, you can earn cash and other rewards for sharing your opinions on a variety of topics. The surveys are usually quick and easy to complete, and you can participate as often as you like. Harris Poll Online also offers the opportunity to participate in focus groups and product testing. These opportunities allow you to share your thoughts and feedback on new products and services, and can often pay more than regular surveys. To join Harris Poll Online, simply sign up on their website and create a profile. From there, you'll be eligible to participate in surveys and other research opportunities that match your interests and demographics. That concludes our list of the top 5 paid survey sites. Remember, none of these sites are going to make you rich, but they can be a good way to earn a little extra cash on the side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more great content.